Thank you for watching another episode of Stone's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. Today is an unboxing of another one of our Christmas builds. We're trying to get done before Christmas comes up, so that way if you like it and you want to order it, you'll be able to do it yourself. Order in time, hopefully, for it to arrive for your own purposes. But I'm really excited about this, and this was a Christmas train by Rio Bricks, it says. Let's look at the front. That's the back side. The front side here. Sorry for all the tape, but I had a bunch of identifying things there that I had to mark off there. It says 2,822 pieces. It definitely looks to be Lego sized. This I purchased from Temu. A lot of their kits tend to be mini brick stuff, so you do have to pay attention to that. But like I said, this one definitely appears to be Legos in size. Also, I will be comparing this build to my Lego Hogwarts train, collector's edition train that I got. We'll see how that set compares to this set here. But let's get it opened up here. It looks like in shipping the stickers suffered a little bit and had been are definitely off. So hopefully it would mean the package itself was accessed, but we'll see here. There we go. I had to really raise my camera up, and I'm still probably not high enough to try to make it so you guys can see what was going on there. Let's see here. Alright, here's one box in the way. Here's this A, and there's another box in there that says B. Yoy. Alright. Yeah. Let's assume the directions are in box A. I mean, it seems like a logical assumption there. Let's see here. It's definitely a heavy kit. It was almost 10 pounds. Let's see here. There we go. Looking at some of the bricks there, this set also comes with a light set. There's multiple LED strips there and a brick to plug them into. Yeah, so that should give it some nice lighting effects, both probably inside and out, maybe. Alright, so one would definitely hope that they have numbered bags and something this big. Yes, it does say bag 1, but inside said bag is a bunch of other bags, so yeah. Here's the book. It is a thick book, a very shiny book. Let's see what it looks like on the inside here. Alright, this should be a Lego compatible kit. We'll definitely check here, but I said a lot of the stuff could be mini bricks, but this is definitely not mini bricks. These are definitely like full-size Legos. I'm looking at the instructions. It seems pretty clear. We do have some decals, actually a couple pages, maybe more than a couple pages. 1, 2, 3, 4 pages of decals. Wow. That's a lot of decals. Not a big fan of decals myself. I have shaky hands. I don't have very steady hands, so decals aren't the funnest for me to put on. So we've got yeah, numbered bags there, and there's certainly Asian character language of some type, and underneath them is some English. Please build a modulin, the picture only with the pieces inside the corresponding numbered package. So I think it's trying to tell you to only use pieces from a single bag, which or from the single set of bags there is supposed to be, which, you know, makes sense. This is the size mark of the piece. 24 by 13 means that the piece is 24 studs wide and 32 studs long. Okay, gotcha. That's good to know. Let's see here. So yeah, it's just building the base. Kind of surprised that if I remember my Lego Hogwarts Express Collector's Edition had 2 books, and this looks like it only has 1. Let's just flip towards the end here and see where we're at in the build here. So we're definitely in the train. Looks like maybe we're building the platform first and then the train to go on it, which would be a reasonable build sequence. Yep, okay, and we have the list of all the bricks in the back. That's always helpful. Always glad to see that. Yep, there is the full build. So yeah, so just one book, 155 pages, a little bit more, but those are just the bricks themselves, not the instructions. So yeah. Alright, yeah, so there's that. I'm excited to build. I love Lego trains. I wish I had more than what I do. Thanks again for watching Stone's Reviews. Please consider supporting us on Patreon. Please like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. On our Patreon, we for $3 a month, you get ad-free access to our videos, and at $3 will help you decide what to love making next. Thank you very much. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon. If you subscribe today, for $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.